Hello guys, so welcome today. I'm gonna be making a sound of a girl, okay? Let's start.
Hello? Uh, I know this is correct, but I make the sound of a girl. Don't worry, it's still I'm not audible this way. Let's go back to the normal voice.
Yeah.